Okay, ma. Now we see the chloroplast. You know that this is chloroplast. Okay, ma. This is chloroplast. Okay. Yes. Already you know plastid is one of the cell organelle. Plastid is one of the cell organelle, ma. So these plastids are present in plants and some of the algae. Plastids are present in plants and some of the algae. So in this, the chloroplast are green pigment, green plastids. Chloroplast are green plastids. Already plastids are differentiated into three types. That is chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast. The chloroplast means green colored plastids. So the chloroplast are green plastids containing what, ma? Green pigment. Containing what, ma? Green pigment, that is called chlorophyll. That is called chlorophyll. Okay, yeah. That is called chlorophyll. The chloroplast is, you see that chloroplast? Yes, it is oval in shape. You see the shape, ma? Oval in shape. You see that it is oval in shape. Yes, it is oval in shape. Then this shape having that diameter only 2 to 10 micrometer. 2 to 10 micrometer. Next, the thickness is 1 to 2 micrometer. 1 to 2 micrometer. So this micro means very, very small unit. You know that. Yes. Next we see the structure of chloroplast. First one is envelope. The second one is stroma. The third one is thylakoid. The fourth one is grana. First we see that envelope. Envelope means you know that outer covering. Envelope mean you know that this is the outer covering. Outer covering. This is the envelope. Okay, va? The chloroplast envelope, it is a outer and inner membrane. Two membranes are there. Just you see that this two membranes. This is outer membrane and also inner membrane. Outer membrane and inner membrane. This is separated by one of the intermembrane space. It is separated one of the intermembrane space. Okay. So this is the envelope. Structure of envelope. Next one we see the stroma. Next one we see the stroma. You know that stroma. So inside that matrix is present inside here. Yes, this place. You see that? Yes, this matrix. Matrix is present this place here. So this is called stroma. This is called, you know that? This is called stroma. You see that stroma? Yes. You see that stroma? Yes. This is stroma. It contains DNA. DNA also here. DNA also here. You see that? Yes. DNA and ribosomes. DNA and ribosomes and also other molecules. This is required for protein synthesis. These are required for protein synthesis. This is the function of this organelles. Okay. Next one, thylakoids. Next one we see the thylakoids. Thylakoids consist of that thylakoid membrane. It encloses that lumen. It encloses that thylakoid lumen. Thylakoid forms a stack of disc-like. Just you see that thylakoid. Yes, here you see this is thylakoid membrane. Okay, this is thylakoid membrane. It is encloses the thylakoid lumen. It forms a stack of disc-like structure that is called grana. Disc-like structure. This is called what, ma? This is grana. Okay, so granum is singular, you know that. Yes, so that is grana. So the thylakoid membrane encloses the thylakoid lumen.